Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. Tons and tons of you when you ride on over here. There is a special welcome always waiting for you over here. Thank you so very much. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still here with me, manners and respect. Now today's video is just like this. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get your rice and peas done in your pressure cooker from the very start to finish. Okay? If you've got an instant pot, I haven't got one. As soon as I get one, I'll probably show you how it goes. It's maybe a little bit different in the instant pot, I would think. I don't own one, so I don't really know how it goes for now. So, what I want to show you is that you can pressure your peas and get your rice and stuff in. Let's proceed. I hope to do this video. Somebody had made a comment on my second channel, and if you're new right on over here, I've got a second channel, and the name of my second channel will be appearing on the screen right now. That is my lifestyle channel that you see different things about me and my family, how we go about. It's basically Debbie outside of the kitchen doing other stuff and so on. Okay, so you might want to go subscribe and check it out. So we'd be grateful and thank you. Okay, so it was a comment that was posted. Somebody said, "I never know you could have cooked your rice and peas in the pressure cooker," something to that effect. So I want to show you right here and now on the main channel how we go about doing that. So let's proceed right on over here, camera girl. So this is our pressure cooker. This video is not demonstrating how to use a pressure cooker. I had promised that. This video, let me say again, is not about demonstrating how, it is not about demonstrating how to use the pressure cooker. It is, and let me repeat, it is about sharing with you how you can get your rice and peas done in your pressure cooker from start to finish. That is what the video is all about. Because I know some people, they don't watch the video straight through and they will come, "Debbie, oh, you never show me." So I'm saying again, it is not about demonstrating how to use the pressure cooker. That will be a total different video with lots more. Okay? Now we have got some peas here and they are pre-soaked. Normally if you're cooking your peas on the stove top, you would pre-soak it, and I have a video there. I'm going to leave the link to show you how you do that. So our peas is right here. It is being pre-soaked. We're going to put our heat up because we're going to, right there to about a little higher than medium. I have 3 small pegs of garlic. It's not a lot of peas because it has been pre-soaked already. And what you want to do right here and now, as you would proceed to cook it regularly in your stovetop. For me, that's how I do it. I don't know about you, so I'm just sharing with you. You want to put like a minimal amount of salt and you want to stir it around. Why? When the peas is cooked and you want to put in your rice and to, get all your herbs in, sometimes it's a bit hard to get that flavor, to get to come together. Because sometimes even though you put the salt, the peas has a little fresh taste. But the trick to it is pressure or cook your peas with a little salt. Therefore, when you're ready to season and to put your little extra salt to your rice and peas, find say, taste salt one side, and when you taste a peas grain, it's fresh. You get what I'm saying? That's a tip for you. So right on over here, this pressure cooker is not the best, and as I say, it doesn't matter, it will get the trick done. It is not about demonstrating. When I'm ready to demonstrate, I'll have to get a decent pressure cooker. This should be a decent one, but it get popped down along the way, but nevertheless, I get it to do the trick, right? My rubber is in, yeah. So you want to come right now, and the pressure cooker is locked. Now, we have a minimal amount of peas, a small amount. So you're going to be pressuring, you're going to leave it, and when it starts pressuring is when the weight starts to dance around and the pressure has been released. I'm going to leave it and to come to a boil, and 15 minutes after it comes to a boil, then I'll come back. Okay? Not necessarily for you. I don't know your pressure cooker nature. You have got to know your pressure cooker. For you to be doing this, you have got to have a pressure cooker that you know your pressure cooker. You know, just like how you have your stove over a period of time and you know how your oven work. You've got to learn to know your pressure cooker. So for mine, it's going to be this. And if you're using more peas too, then it would be a little more. So we're going to leave it to pressure. When it's pressured, we will return and I'll show you how to proceed from there. Okay, now our peas is pressured and this is what we have here. Mind you, at this moment, you will know the amount of rice that you'll be using. I've already measured out my amount of rice. This is what I have here. And it's about 1.5 pounds of parboiled rice. And looking at it, I might just want to take out a little bit of my peas. Not a lot, just maybe a little bit. It all depends on you right here. Okay? I might just want to take out this. So, your peas is properly cooked. Your peas is evenly cooked. And then, the most important thing is that it's just the liquid is so minimal and the peas is cooked. This goes to show you that, family, the pressure cooking method, it works. You don't need a lot of water to fill up your pressure cooker. That's not pressuring, that would just in there be boiling. Pressure cooker you do with a minimal amount, like just to cover, as I said before. Okay, now we're gonna get our flame back on. And I have here my coconut milk that I prepared ahead of time. You can prepare where you want to prepare. You can prepare your ready you do your thing. This is coconut powder. Sometimes I do coconut cream, whatever. So you want to put not all. These depend on you. Let me tell you something about rice and peas. Some people are asking, how much is it in the measurement? You've got to learn, family, to feel your way around certain things in your kitchen. And cooking your rice and peas is one of them. You've got to learn the best of cooks that knows how to cook successful rice and peas. They don't measure anything. They feel as you go along, as you go, you grow, you feel your way around them. One way to feel your way around them, not put too much, don't put all of your coconut milk in at once. So you put in a certain amount. Look at me here, and you want to just give some stir. Right here, I am using just the regular green scallion, a little thyme, and I'm also using this. Some people cut up sweet pepper. If you're that sort of person, do your thing, baby. And I have here a little pimento seeds, just this. It's not a big pot, so I have washed it and leave it to drain. Remember, if you're new here, I've always implored my family members, it no matter if you even buy a sealed bottle of pimento seeds, remember to rinse them. I see them when people use them and I'm finger up all about the place, okay? Remember, even if you get a sealed bottle of pimento seed, organic or non-organic, remember to rinse them, okay? So now you have your coconut milk in. Now it is time to put in some additional salt. It could be warm here. This was like slightly warm. It could be hot. It could be warm. It could be just regular room temperature, but not cold. So now you want to go now and put in your additional salt. At this time, it will help you to get your peas more with taste, with flavor, because you had pressured the peas with a little. So because you had pressured the peas with a little, you want to just put a little more, stir it around and let it dissolve. Yeah? Okay. And you're going to take a little and remember to cool. This is good. This is good because I had pre-salted it with a little of the salt. Now, there are some people who watch it tasting her and then she never wash it. Look here, let me tell you something. If you taste every time in a year and then you go get some hand soap and wash it, good for you. My hands are clean, my mouth are clean, it's my kitchen. And if you think when you go to the restaurants, the people that prepares your food each time them taste, they go wash their hands, you got a next guest coming, okay? So you want to give yourself a little stir right here and right now. You don't put in your rice right now because you want the milk to come to a boil with your little herbs and seasonings and also your salt. And you want it to come to a minimal boil whilst you stir around. So you want them to boil a little. start get, you know, before you put in the rice. So let me show you now. At this point, you don't have to do nothing more than just catch on your pressure. Rubber in, weight on, catch on your pressure cooker, your pressure cover. There are slabs, so you do it like this. Don't close it. You can't close it again. You have finished pressuring. Never close it from here again. Look at me here. When you close it, this is how it closes. Plumb, it's not closed. This is a little psychedelic one, you see? So you don't watch this one. You know, so I'm opening. So remember, you don't close from here on. We're leaving that to come to a boil. When we return, our rice will be in. See if we've got enough milk for our rice. Or if our milk is too much or liquid, we will remove a little. Feeling your way around these things. Must soon come. Okay, we are back. Lord Jesus, we never must put in the coconut milk and every piece. Lord, must be drought. Let's look. Look at me here now. Look at me here. So your milk is, look at me here. This is the part where you gel the coconut milk with the peas and with the herbs. And this is, it smells nice. So look here. You got chat. Not true. We got to do a little labor and we got chat to the friend on the phone. We got to do a little texting. Because we got to wait for it to come to a boil. Beautiful. It's ready now. So I go. Real kitchen. Now this is your rice. So let us put in all the ACs on it. Wow, no problem. So this is your rice, so you get your rice in. This is parboiled rice. And look here, you got to know how to execute with parboiled rice. You have to know how to execute with that one. That is another one or another thing for another video. You hear me? So this is parboiled rice. Let me turn this water off. Look at me here. This is perfect. When you stir, you can see the peas. You notice when you stir, you can see the rice because there is not a lot of milk. Yeah? You know? So when you stir, you can see your peas. You can see your rice. So you feeling your way around this. This definitely shows you when you stir the rice and peas family. Or the rice. That is how you feel your way around it. You really say, no man, that liquid there look like it too much. Or that liquid there look like, yeah, this is good. Look at me here. Feeling your way around this. We got the salt perfection. We have all of that. We think we can cover. Again, family. You don't close. You just cover. Cover means that you can't lift up. Like that is, yeah. But you don't lock on. Click, cover. Leave it. With parboiled rice, you got to have your flame a little bit up because parboiled rice can take a lot of water and comes out shelly. You can't put too little water in there for the parboiled rice. So this is good. We're gonna leave it on medium. Okay. When we return, the rice and peas should be ready. You'll see it's cooking now. It's not pressuring. Okay, no steam is building up in there now because the pressure cooker no lock. If it no lock on properly and everything in place, there would be no steam excess, like overpowering steam building up inside here to send down any extra thing for cooking. So this is just like regular. Yeah, cook it. You just put on your pot cover and you cook it. There we go. My son come. Okay, family, we are right back. This is our finished rice and peas from our pressure cooker. Wow, you see the steam coming up from under there. And we have removed our herbs. We had removed our herbs. I'm sorry. This is your perfect rice and peas for who likes their rice and peas not so shelly. Now I want to say something. Let me get back into feeling your way around the kitchen. Some people like their rice and peas like this. I am one of them. Me like my rice and peas. Except for, I don't remember, there is one dish that I like shelly rice and peas with. I don't remember right now. But this is my type of rice and peas with moisture. Feeling your way around the kitchen. When you know you want your rice and peas to have less moisture, what you want to do is use a little less liquid. Make sure that the liquid is like barely covering the rice. Barely covering the rice with a pressure cooker or just regular pot. When you know you want some moisture in your rice and peas, you go with your water. You know what I'm saying? Depending on your rice too. feeling your way around the kitchen. If I had used less water, this would be more shelly. More shelly means that you are less likely to cup this or to bowl this rice, okay? So when you get, when the rice is shelly, it's hard to bowl. And two, when you have a lot of peas in your rice, it becomes with more moisture, okay? Because the peas have a lot of moisture. So, feeling your way around the kitchen, knowing what you're to do, you want a less shelly rice and peas, less liquid. More rice, more shelly, less liquid. More on the moisture side, just a little additional liquid. Remember, if you get it shelly, extra shelly, you will not be able, you will not be able to have it presented in a cupped or a bowled fashion. Showing you again, I've not showed you for the longest while how to bowl. Just wet your bowl, don't dry it, just turn it over. Then you're gonna go put in your rice here. Okay? Look at me here now. Look at me here. So you got it going on. You want to plate it in a bowl. So you bowl. Remember, you saw me. You wet it. You don't dry the bowl. Look at me here. Press down to make it compact because it has the moisture. It has the capacity, or it has the ability, I think that's the word, to hold in the mold. When there is no moisture, when it's shelly, no ability to hold in the mold. This is your clean plate. You don't have to wait no time because it's well moist. Up. That's your perfect bowl of pressure cooked rice and peas from start to finish. Please do enjoy. Once more, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your family table. It's your perfect bowl of pressure cooked rice and peas from start to finish. If you have liked this video, remember all I ask of you to give me a thumbs up. Remember to make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey. Thank you so much. So many new subscribers have been on over here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless. No stress.